Okay guys, we're here at the Jetties in Destin, Florida, and I found a serious problem. There's a fishing line right here. We're going to see if we can't get it. I don't have a knife or anything, so we're going to try to pull it, but if I can't pull it, there's nothing I can really do. Okay, we got that end loose. See if we can't pull it from this way. Dang, that's some strong fishing line. Probably what I'm going to need to do is jump across the rocks here and try to grab it from this side. Got it loose on one side, so see if we get right from right here. Yeah, God, what was somebody thinking? How do you get a fishing line stuck in the freaking rocks? Oh. That water bottle out of there if I can. Okay, we got that. But yeah, remember when going fishing, please be careful. These animals can get caught up in this. Okay, we got that side loose. So we got both sides loose. Now I guess we're gonna get off the rocks and try to wrap it around this water bottle here and put it in the garbage can nearby. There's a garbage can right over there. Oh. I can't stand it. Trash everywhere. Fishing lines caught up in the rocks. I just can't stand it. How am I gonna wrap? I think I got an idea here. Because I can't just leave this fishing line loose. There we go, just like this. Wrap it around the water bottle. People are staring at me over there, but whatever. Okay, we got it wrapped around the water bottle to put in the garbage can. But yeah, once again, please put your trash where it belongs and make sure to be careful when going fishing. This fishing line can get tangled up in turtles and create all kinds of problems.